Hey there. Hey, in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Hollyland Lark M2 to the Sony A6300. And hey, if you stick around to the end, I have a bonus tip for you. So this is a very popular mic. I already did a proper unboxing and review of it, but today, very specifically, Sony A6300, we're going to connect it. You're going to see that you don't need any special drivers or anything special. Here is the receiver, and we're going to connect this microphone to the camera, and we're going to have an audio example of what it sounds like without the microphone, just using the mics inside the camera themselves. And then we're going to have an audio with these connected. So let's get to it. But in order to make the connection, you're going to need this wire right here, which comes with your microphone, and it's going to be going into right there, into the receiver. It doesn't matter which side, both sides work the same, okay? And we're just going to connect that right there, okay? And this is the part that goes on the top of the camera on the shoe mount right here, this part. I know it doesn't seem like it, but it actually fits in there. And then we're going to have this little magnet clip, and this is going to go right on my shirt in order to get the sound. So let's connect all that. Let me show you how that works. So first, let's put on our microphone here. Okay, it is a magnet, so it's kind of cool. So let's see. We're going to do that. Okay, and it is on. He's going to see that it's blue. Okay, and then on here, you're going to see that it's lit up. So it's pretty much ready to go. There's no need for any drivers. So let me show you the camera. So on the camera, what you want to do, Sony A6300, it has this little door here. I'm going to close it, but so here, and it's labeled right there. Okay, so when we open the door, we're going to see that, yep, it's right here. All right, but how do you put on the little receiver? Okay, so here we go. We're going to fit it in, and what you want to do is you want to have this part here. See this clip part? It's got these ridges on the top right there, and this is the part that goes in top of the camera. Okay, we're just going to lift up and then slowly push it in. You see that it's going in. Okay, see, fits perfectly with no issues at all, and it's almost ready to go. And we're going to connect it to the camera like this. Okay, and it's going to detect it right away. It's like you can see me talking. It's already picking up my voice. So I didn't have to do anything special, but if you were to have to adjust it, you can just go into the menu and set it for external mic. So, okay, so there's audio recording right there. So we go there. So what you want to do is audio recording on. Okay, and it'll pick up the mic. So let's record a little something with the microphone and then without, but I'm going to show it to you so you can hear it and how it sounds with the Lark and then without the Lark. Okay, this is an audio recording with the Hollyland Lark M2, audio check 1, 2, 3. I'm really close to the camera lens, so let's back up. Audio check 1, 2, 3, and as I back up, I'm about maybe, this is about 6 feet away. We step back even further. Audio check 1, 2, 3, and I'm all the way in the back. Audio check 1, 2, 3, and now I'm getting closer to the microphone, getting closer. Audio check 1, 2, 3. We have now disconnected the Hollyland mic. So this is the audio from the camera itself, and let's listen to it, see what the difference is. Audio check 1, 2, and I'm going to back away. Audio check 1, 2, 3. Audio check, I'm backing away from the camera. I'm about 7 to 8 feet away. Audio check 1, 2, 3. Audio check, and this is the sound. I'm going to run back. This is the sound of the camera mic. Audio check 1, 2, 3. Okay, we successfully tested the microphone, so now I'm going to give you the bonus tip. I know you've been waiting for this. So, but the cool thing about the Sony A6300 is you can control the audio and the way it's coming in. So when you have an external mic, if it's coming in too hot, so right here as I'm talking, you can see audio check 1, 2. It might be a little too loud. It might be even clipping check, check, check. You see how it goes to the red, check 1, 2. So what we can do in order to fix that is go into the menu. So we're going to go into the menu, and under audio recording level, we're just going to go like that, and then we're just simply going to bring it down. Okay, that's going down, 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 down. Check audio check 1, 2. Audio check 1, 2, and now it's going to limit how loud the microphone is. Audio check 1, 2. You see the difference there? And we're going to go up, check, 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 check. If we keep going up, check, 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 check. It's too loud. It's clipping. You see the red? So we want to bring it down. So that's your bonus tip right there. Bring it down to a moderate level so you can get some decent audio. So there you go. All right, thanks for checking this out. Leave a comment below. Let me know if that was useful to you. And hey, by the way, you want to see the full review of me unboxing and using this on Android and on iPhone? I have a full video for that. You can check that out right here.